Woke up in the morning about 3:45, but still tired as a motherfucker, weak as a fuck. Don't like coffee, but the smell keeps telling me have a drink. Put the pot on fire, get me in some coffee fuck. She called me and told me there's a killer in the yard, and explained how we got a good friends of mine. Now I'm rushing in the cold dark morning and I see people running, screaming, just can't believe my eyes. Next thing you know, that crazy motherfucker staring at me covered in red with 2 long blades in his hands. I run back in the house, grab a pistol and an oops knife, scared to the core, man, I feel like a pussy. You can't get in cause my house is secured like the Brinks money. I heard a woman and the baby crying, begging mercy. Heard the loud scream, then she and the baby went silent. I start praying I might be the next client. Happy Halloween to you motherfuckers. Happy scary day to you motherfuckers. Happy death day to you motherfuckers. You know I'm gon' kill all you motherfuckers. Happy Halloween to you motherfuckers. Happy scary day to you motherfuckers. Happy death day to you motherfuckers. You know I'm gon' kill all you motherfuckers. I hear bikes revving, shots start firing, shit, I start pissing, I'm end up. Now I'm about to shoot the ass up. When I'm done shooting, I'll have them in the body bag lock. I did that. But the last one, I open up his guts, and I like the way it feels when he grunts. Blood dripping from his mouth, watch the greyhound sick it. Now every cat a mouse will eat his flesh like lunch meat. I'm sick, I never knew that I was a monster. I'm the hardcore type of killer like Jason and Myers. Man, it feels good and fresh like Bill Gates paper. Now I wanna find a soul to do it over again. Body count rampage, I spinning like ring. Pile the bodies up in the pit like I grow sugar cane. Blood pressure, damn I make it rain. Yeah, blood pressure, thanks to Halloween. Happy Halloween to you motherfuckers. Happy scary day to you motherfuckers. Happy death day to you motherfuckers. You know I'm gon' kill all you motherfuckers. Happy Halloween to you motherfuckers.